Hey, hi. So my name is Aditya Kumar, and I'm going to do the unboxing of OnePlus Z2 ANC. I just received it an hour ago. I'm going to do it with this. Not going to use the traditional old, the scissors. I'm going to use this. That's what I like to do. Let's do this. Let me put the camera because that's what you want to see. You don't want to see. You don't want to see me. I also don't want to let you see me. I don't want to. I want to do. You guys want to see this, so let's not make it. Let's not make the camera focus on me. That's what you are going to see. Here it is, and I'm gonna cut it. I think it will do the job. That's enough. So here you can see done. I've waited for it for like 1 month. I just ordered 1 week ago. Just ordered a week ago, and here it is. It cost me. Well, I'm gonna tell you afterwards. I'm not gonna tell you right away because most viewers don't say it. So this is the billing. You don't need to see that. Let's keep it aside. Now let's come on to it. It says OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2 ANC. Here it is. Here it looks. Let's put upside down. Okay. I already had OnePlus Z2 before, but now I want to use this. Let's see. I think I'm gonna use this, I guess. Yeah. It's very packed very well. So here it is. Let's here it is. So nothing inside. Smells good, of course. Now we're gonna do this. It's very tightly packed, not too much, but it's good. I mean, you don't want it to get spoiled in the way of transport on the way to your place when you're going to order it. So I'm very excited to use this. I just want to see if it's the real upgrade we're looking for. Let's see. Oh, nothing inside. That's here is something. I thought I didn't get anything. Here it is. The extra rubbers which you're expecting, you can use it. Extra earbuds. I mean, you don't call it earbuds, just the rubber. That's the ear cushions. That's the ear cushions. And here's the charging cable. I think it's Type C. Yes, it is Type C. Amazing color, nice. So in this, the red cable club. I don't know what it is. It says scan the QR code using your phone camera or visit. Okay. So we're not going to talk. We're not